In 1922, Howard Carter's team opened Tutankhamun's tomb and found jars of an amber honey-like substance sealed since around 1323 BC. That's over 3,000 years old. The popular story says archaeologists tasted it and it was still perfectly sweet. Here's the problem. Nobody has ever traced that story back to an actual excavation report. What is real and provable is the chemistry. Honey is one of the hardest environments on Earth for bacteria to survive in, for 3 specific reasons. Ripe honey is around 80% sugar and less than 18% water. That's too dry for almost any bacteria, mold, or yeast to grow. Honey's pH sits around 3 to 4.5. That acidity alone kills off almost anything trying to grow in it. As Amina Harris of UC Davis's Honey and Pollination Center puts it, honey in its natural form is very low moisture. Very few bacteria or microorganisms can survive in an environment like that. They just die. But it only works sealed. Honey pulls moisture from the air. Leave the lid off somewhere humid, and the yeast already living in it will start to ferment. In 2025, Oxford chemists used mass spectrometry to confirm real honey residue in a Greek shrine jar in Italy, 2,500 years old, stronger proof than any Egyptian legend. Honey that's actually survived millennia isn't a sweet treat waiting to be eaten. It's dark, crystallized, and sometimes described as looking like tar. One reason honey carries a warning label, it can harbor bacterial spores an adult's gut handles easily, but a baby under 1-year-old's gut can't yet. So, would 3,000-year-old honey actually be safe to eat? Now you know why nobody's really tried.